Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu dear students. Today we're going to solve your workbook lesson number 3 from chapter 1 that was about the plants which we completed and understand well. Now today we're going to solve its workbook, the page one by one we will complete. It's all the pages. The student they already done. Very nice. But if someone is missed or have any doubt about any question, he just need to complete now. So my dear students, this page number 13, first we are going to solve it. So till if yes, one by one we will solve all the pages. Don't worry, my dear. So please everyone open your workbook page number 13. Here we first going to solve the first blank. Small plants such as mosses which survive without a transplant are called. What we call them? So if you know the answer, send me in the chat. Otherwise, I'm going to type here. Non-vascular plants. Now the second blank here, that is about plants that have a system of hollow tube to transport water and nutrients are called, yes, very easy, you already learned about them. If tubes are present, so what we call them? Well done, very nice. The student, they are sending me the answer in the chat. Well done, my dear. Vascular plants. Okay, after that we move on this page number 13. So here page number 13, workbook page number 13. After that we going to write the answer of blank. Yeah, here this is about a seed plant that does not produce flowers or fruit. What we call this? Very easy and very simple answer. Yes, well done, very nice, excellent, my dear. Gymnosperm, well done, good. Okay, after this we move to blank number 4 on page number 13. A seed plant that produces flowers and some kind of fruit is called, what we call? Yes, nice, well done, well done. Okay, so the correct answer of this blank 4 is angiosperms. Well done. Okay, after that we move to blank number. So the correct answer here of this fill in the blank: roots absorb minerals and water, store food, and what another function of the roots? So you know very well, they can hold the plant in the soil. So you can say that anchor plants. They can also anchor the plant. Okay, now after this blank number 6, root hairs absorb water, minerals, and protect root tip. So the root tip is protected by, yes Yadan, this is page number 13, okay, from your workbook. So the correct answer is here, root caps that present at the front of the root hair. This help to protect it. Now after that we move to blank number 7. So here the statement is that the epidermis is on the outside of the root, just beneath it is the, so the word here, the correct word that you need to write here, cortex. Then we move to next, which is used to store food. At the center of the root is the, what's present at the center of the root? Yes, well done. vascular system. Very good. Well done. Very nice. Okay, my dear students, everyone please complete this page, and who done very nice and who also checked this one, excellent. Now the student they joined the meeting late and missed anything, please take the screenshot. Now I'm going to move on the next page, page number 14. So please everyone quickly complete it, otherwise I'm going to move on page number 14. Hurry up. Okay, that's great. That's great. Take the screenshot, no problem. Okay, now after solving this, we move on page number 14 of your workbook. So here you have almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. So, or 6 fill in the blanks. We're going to solve them one by one. Yeah. Yes, the workbook page number 14. Now we are on it. The first statement or the first blank is here. Stems have two main functions, dash and transport. So the first function, you know very well, it also helps to sport and transport. Now number 9, grasses have dash system that are green and trees have dash stem. So the grasses have dash stems. It means they have, you know the grass very well, it's not hard, so it's soft stem. Okay, then there's the second answer in the blank number 9, that is about the tree, the big tree, you know it's very hard, so it means that is woody. Okay, well done. Now blank number 10, we have two answers here again, same like in number 9. So the first, the series of tubes that move water and minerals up the plant from roots to up. This is page number 14, my dear, page number 14. Okay, so up the plant with the help of xylem tissue, and the second is and moves sugar made in the plant's leaf. Yes, well done, very nice. That is yes, phloem tissue. Okay, now after that, solving till number 10, we move on number 11. The function of leaf is to perform what? Yeah, if you remember, there are two processes that we discussed in detail. One about the, yes, well done, very nice, excellent. The student, they are sending me the answers here in the chat. They know, well done. The correct answer is here. Photosynthesis, well done. Now number 12, we have here two blanks. To perform photosynthesis, chloroplasts need dash. What they need? They need, number one thing is here. Carbon dioxide, okay, from the air, water from the soil, and dash. And one more thing we know very well, that is yes, sunlight. Well done, my dear. So after that, on page number 14, we have the last blank. Air enter and exit plants through dash, pores on the underside of the leaves. So as I explained you about the opening or the closing, just like a door or a gate in your house, from where you enter and leave, same like this, plants have these openings. So what we name them? Yes, well done. Sometha, well done, very nice, excellent, my dear. So these are the answers on page number 14. Everyone, please done it quickly. If someone is missed, Don't worry, you can take the screenshot, and after this period, I will upload this all lesson on my YouTube channel. Okay. Yes. So you can again revise and see it from there. Now, hope everyone complete. So now I'm going to move on the next page. That is page number 15. There are total 8 blanks that we're going to complete. Now I'm going to raise this all and we are going to move on page number 15. Okay. So here, now this your workbook page number 15. Now I'm going to write the answers here. So the first blank that is present in front of you, in which the statement is that a seed plant that does not produce flower is called. Very easy. Almost 3 times we done here even. So the correct answer is here. Gymnosperm, cell that move sugar up, down, and all around the plants are called. Yes. Yeah, last time we wrote about the xylem. Now what we write here? Phloem. Yes, well done. Now after that, on your workbook page number 15, we have blank number 3. So let's try to understand what will be the exact answer. A layer in the plant stem that separates xylem and phloem is called the dash. You know that very well. A layer between these two tissue, these that separate them. So what we called it? Cambium. Yes, yes, Mr. Ali. Ali, you raise your hand.
Teacher, I don't write the page first.
No problem.
First of this.
Okay, no problem. After that, I upload the whole this lesson on my YouTube channel, so you can go there and complete it. Don't worry. The breakdown of sugar in plant and animal cells to produce energy and carbon dioxide is called. So number 4, the correct answer is here. Cellular respiration. Yes. Then the number 5, a seed plant that produces flowers is called. Yeah, well done. Very nice. Excellent. The student, they are sending me the answers here in the chat. Well done. Very nice. I'm really impressed for you. Okay. Well done, my dear. So the number 5 is angiosperms. Yes. Then we move to number 6. Cells that transport water and minerals from roots to shoots in plants are. Yeah. So if you remember on page 13 and also on page 14, we complete little bit related to that statement. So the same answer is here. The tubes, or you can say that the vessels that move or transport minerals and water from roots to shoot or from roots to everywhere in the plant. What we name this? Yes, well done. Very nice. Xylem, well done. Okay. Then we move on number 7. So a process that plants use to produce their food. You know very well. We already learned about that, and give off oxygen as a byproduct. So what we call this process? Yes, well done. Very easy. Photosynthesis. Well done. Very nice. Well done, my dear. So the last blank here on page number 15. So let's see the correct answer here. When water moves up the vascular tubes through stomata, dash occur. So what occurs? Yes, this is little bit tricky, but not hard. Because we already done this. So the correct answer is here, transpiration. Okay. So these are all the correct answers, or you can say that the correct blanks here on your workbook page number 15. That's your lesson number 3 from chapter 1. Please everyone complete it. If you missed any, take the screenshot. Then I'm going to move on the last page of your today's homework. Everyone quickly, my dear. If anyone is still remaining, please raise his hand. If anyone still remaining on this page to complete any blank, raise his hand. Otherwise, type no in the chat. Then I move to the next page. Hurry up and don't forget to take the screenshot. Well done. Very nice. Thank you very much. Excellent, my dear. Okay, now I'm going to move on page number 16. That is your almost the last page of today's homework. Here, first I'm going to give the numbers, so that will help you to know about all these the blanks. Page number 16. Here almost we have, yes, yeah, that is your blank number 1. Okay, that is your second, third, fourth, fifth. This one is 6th one, 7, and that is number 8. So total blanks you have on page number 16 are 8. So let's see their correct answers one by one. Yes, yes, inshallah, we will solve this all. Okay, so the first correct answer here, seed plants can be divided into 2 main groups. Scientists call these groups dash flowering plants and dash plants without flowers. You know very well. Yeah, same words, same terms we need to write here again. So the first is that with flowers or fruits, you can say that. Yes, angiosperms, well done. Angiosperms. And the second one, very nice, excellent, my dear. Gymnosperms, well done. Okay, now number 3, seed plants have 3 basic parts. You know very well. Leaves, roots, and the central parts that give support. Yeah, well done. Very nice. Between leaves and between roots, there are the third part. What we name this? Well done, stem. Very nice. Good. Now, after that, we move on page number 16. And here we're going to complete blank number 4. The function of leaves is to absorb sunlight to make sugar. A process called, what we call this process, it is very famous, in which plant able to make its own food. Yes, well done. Photo. Photosynthesis, well done, very good, very nice. The energy of sunlight is captured by, who captured the energy and used to combine carbon dioxide and water? you know very well there is an organelle that only work for this purpose. So what we name or what we call this organelle? Yes, chloroplast. Well done. Very nice, my dear. Good. The carbon dioxide comes into the leaf through dash. Again, the opening, the gate, or you can say that the main door or the holes, small holes that are present in the cell. What we name that? Yes. Metha. Now, after this, the sugar made during photosynthesis travels to cells all over the plant where it is used for what purpose? Yes, another process that we just learned yesterday in detail. Cellular respiration. Well done, very nice. During this process, dash is broken down to release energy to power the cell's function. The byproducts are carbon dioxide and water. So what they broke down? Yes, well done. Glucose, yes, you can say that, but the correct word is here. Sugar, well done. Very nice, my dear. Okay, well done. Excellent. So these are all the answers till here, my dear students. Have any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no in the chat. Everyone. Well done, Ahad. Thank you very much. Talal. Yes, my dear. Talal say. Yes, Mr. Talal.
Teacher, I not finish first one. I'm in number 6.
Okay, this page number 16.
No,
Which page you missed?
number 13.
Okay, don't worry. After that period, after this period, I'm going to upload all the lesson on my YouTube channel, okay, that we recorded. Understand? So you can go there and complete. Yes, no problem. Inshallah, inshallah. Okay, okay, well done. Very nice.